Hi there folks, it's Pammy from Pammy's Peck of Pursuits, and today we are going to be in the kitchen making a delicious shepherd's pie. We're going to start with 500 grams of mince, and we're going to get that into a pan, a nice hot pan, and we're going to sear it and get it all nice and browned off. In the meantime, we have a large diced onion. We've got a cup of peas, frozen peas, and about a cup and a half of frozen carrots. So first we're going to get those onions in with the meat and get that brown and get those onions cooked off a bit. This is a great winter warmer, easy and tasty and very filling. I have to make up a cup of beef stock because I'm out of my frozen stock, so I've used my powdered stock, and we'll add a cup of hot water to that in a minute. I'm going to let that beef and onion continue to brown, and once it's all browned, we're going to add some seasoning, some salt and pepper, and we're going to add those frozen vegetables. Give that a good stir, get that all mixed up, the meat and the veggies. It's going to be so tasty. You can season it however you like. I'll be using salt and pepper and maybe a bit of minced garlic and some mixed herbs. Once the veggies and the meat are all mixed in there well and the meat's all brown, the onions are soft, I'm going to add a cup of beef broth. And once we've got the broth in there, we are going to give it a bit of a stir, and then we're going to pop the lid on and let that simmer for about 10 or 15 minutes. And let the broth reduce a bit and make a lovely beefy gravy. So on goes the lid for like 10-15 minutes. Once that's all reduced down, we are going to add that mixture into a 9x13 casserole dish and just spread that out. And top it with some mashed potatoes that I prepared earlier. You can use fresh mashed potatoes, you can use instant mashed potatoes, whatever you have time for, whatever it works for on the night. Once you've got those mashed potatoes on the top of the meat and veggies, just spread it out nicely. And I've been preheating my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So just before we put that casserole into the oven, we're going to top it with some grated cheese, just to give it a lovely cheesy crusty top. It's a great winter warmer family favorite meal. And thank you for watching my video, and thank you for subscribing and giving me some likes, and I'd love to hear from you. If you want to leave a comment down below, we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video that I have ready to go out. So I hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you again soon. Bye for now.